Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share some fun ways to practice letter D with your kids. Let's get started. Also, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe, like and share. First activity is the Play-Doh activity. Making the alphabet D out of Play-Doh is a fun and easy way to show kids letter D. I originally wanted to make Play-Doh rope to make our D, however that did not work out with my daughter, so I had to go for simple balls and arranging them in letter D shape. To make this activity a little bit more fun activity for my daughter, I cut some straw pieces and gave those pieces to her so that she can put those pieces on every Play-Doh ball. My daughter loves these types of fine motor activities, so I always try to add some element of these types of activities just to make new activity interesting for her. Next activity is a D for dumping activity. For this activity, I took empty milk bottle caps and I wrote letter D on it. And with the help of those milk bottle caps, we did our fun pretend play. I cannot explain how simple this activity was to arrange. And even though it was a very simple game to arrange, she was able to find out some innovative ways to make it interesting, such as finding out a shovel to play. Next activity is the matching activity. For this activity, I made a D worksheet where I draw different animals and objects that starts with the beginning letter D. To make this worksheet little bit more interesting and attractive for my daughter, I let my older one color this worksheet. Once again, I gave her empty milk bottle caps with a letter D on it, and she had to find out letter D on the worksheet and she had to match those letters. I'm sure you can find out free printable letter D worksheet, but I just decided to go and make my own. The reason why I did that because I observed that whenever I draw something in front of my kids, it gets easier for them to understand the concept, and it gets easier for me also to teach them something new. Therefore, most of the time I like to draw or make my own worksheet or any teaching material. There are many ways we can use this worksheet. Simply we can practice letter D recognition with this worksheet, and also we can sound out letter D, and we can help them better understand what starts with letter D. Next activity is making D for donuts. And for this activity, I let my son cut a big circle out of a cardboard and write a letter D on it. And we directly jump on a most fun part of the activity, that is decorating our donuts. I think decorations is the most attractive parts for the kids whenever it comes to cakes or muffins or donuts. And that's why we just jumped on decorating our donuts. course, when we were done decorating our donuts, we had to taste it, and we did our fun little pretend play of eating donuts. Next activity is reading books. I have tried to select books that has lot of sounds of D and lot of objects and things that starts with letter D. Next page. Where is D? Hand, fingers, thumb. Hand, fingers, thumb. One thumb. Drumming on a. One hand. Dum diddy dum diddy dum dum dum. Dum diddy dum diddy. Rings on fingers and rings on. Dum diddy dum diddy. Monkey's drum and monkey's drum. Hum drum, hum drum. Hands begin. Hands begin. Dum diddy dum diddy. Good job. Hands plays banjo. Hands plays fiddle. Also, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe, like and share, and leave a comment in the comment section below. See you next time with the next video.